In this video, I'll guide you through how to set up Google Workspace email with a domain that's registered through Shopify. By the end, your professional email address will be properly connected and ready to use with your online store. Let's start from your Shopify admin dashboard. Make sure you're logged into the correct store because any changes you make here will affect the live settings for that specific store. From the main admin page, look at the left-hand side menu and find the option labeled Settings. Go ahead and click on that to open your store's settings area. Inside settings, you'll see a list of different categories. Here, you're looking for domains. This is where Shopify manages all the web addresses connected to your store. Click on Domains to open the domain management page. On this page, you should see a list of the domains that are connected to your store, including the one you registered through Shopify. Take a moment to confirm you're choosing the correct domain, especially if you have more than one connected. When you've identified the domain you want to use with Google Workspace, click directly on that domain to open its detailed settings. Once you're viewing the settings for that specific domain, scroll until you find the section related to email. Depending on your current configuration, this section might be labeled email hosting or email forwarding. If your domain is currently using email forwarding, it means messages sent to your domain email are simply being redirected somewhere else, rather than handled by a full email hosting provider like Google Workspace. To move away from simple forwarding and connect proper email hosting, look for the option that says Switch to email hosting. Click that. This tells Shopify that you're going to use a dedicated email provider for this domain. After you click to switch, you'll be prompted to choose which email hosting provider you want to use. From the list of options, select Google Workspace. This is the service that will power your professional email addresses like info or support at your domain. Now, Google needs to verify that you actually own this domain before it will fully activate email service. During the Google Workspace setup process, you should have been given a TXT verification code. This is a string of characters that proves domain ownership. Back in Shopify, after selecting Google Workspace, you'll see a box or field where you can paste that TXT verification code. Carefully paste the code into the box. It's important that you paste it exactly as provided without adding extra spaces or changing any characters, because even a small mistake can prevent verification from working. Once the code is in place, save your changes. Shopify will update your domain's DNS settings with that TXT record so Google can detect it. The verification process might not be instant. It can take a few minutes and in some cases up to an hour or more for DNS changes to fully propagate. You don't need to change anything else in Shopify for this basic connection. Just make sure the code is correct and saved. Then return to your Google Workspace setup and complete any remaining steps there, such as creating your user email addresses. That's all you need to do in Shopify to connect your registered domain to Google Workspace email.